What's going on, guys? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a walk around on a lifted 1984 GMC truck. It is a 4-speed in here, believed to be 350 under the hood. Fuel cell in the back, dual exhaust. Runs and drives awesome. I just got done with a test drive video, so definitely check that out. You can zip to the end of this one and go straight to the test drive if you want. There'll be a little pop-up at the end of this video, take you straight there. Just kind of peeking under the hood, power steering. The brakes are nice on this one. Disc brakes in the front. Peek up under the truck, kind of look at the lift. Some nice tires on there. Trailer hitch on the back. Going ahead and give you the undercarriage shots first. This makes it a lot easier since it's way up in the air. Got a walrus nest on there. What we like to do up here is go around, look at all the flaws on these cars and trucks. That way when you get here, you know exactly what you're getting. Definitely check out maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures, so you definitely want to see that. We got shipping information on there as well as financing. The bumper on this has been on here a while. It's not new. It does have some little bit of pitting popping up. Looks like they got some LED lights on the front of the bumper there. The grill looks like it's in good shape. It's not all busted up. Paint job wise, no. Gonna need a paint job if you want it to look pretty. It's got all kinds of chips and scratches. So what I'm gonna look for is any rust. You can tell it used to be blue. I'll be looking for rust and major dents. Looking down the body, it's got that step there. You definitely need that. All kinds of chips in the paint from these tires throwing rocks. There's a bubble coming through. That's a little bit of rust there. Some cracks in the paint back here by the window. Bed's in decent shape. It's definitely seen some work through its life. You can see the scratches and stuff in it, and some dents on the fender wells. I assume they got tired of the double gas tank on this and put the fuel cell. Tailgate looks decent, about like the rest of the truck. There's a rust spot right here under the handle. Bumper on the back's the same as the front. It's got some scarring, some pitting. This is just an old toy here. Little scratch back here. See the gascat's not closing all the way. Spring return's getting stuck or something. There we go. A scratch, there's a dent right here. Another step on this side. It's a good thing since this thing's so high up in the air. All right, made it all the way around. We're gonna go check out the interior and start it up. Door opens pretty easy. Looks like a school bus in here. At the bench seat, it's not all ripped up. It's not brand new either. 10 on the back window. Roof looks pretty good. I noticed the tilt column pull up and down. I can't get it to stick. Looks like somebody was working on it before. You could probably get in there and pop it back on, but clutch feels good on this one, so definitely check that test drive video out. E-brake works. I think those are your LED lights, switch, aftermarket gauges. We'll be going over that here in just a second. Doesn't have carpet, rubber flooring in here. Let's look under the bottom of this door. Pretty solid door here. A few little rust spots popping up. It's typical in these old trucks like this. Down here in the, as soon as you open it up, you can see a little bit of rust coming through on the bottom with the jam there. The rest of it looks pretty solid. Let's go ahead and jump up in here. I know what happened. The truck's so high, people pull this to get in, and yeah, probably broke it. The dash, cracks all in it, hasn't been replaced. There's a tach on the dash that does work. The shifter feels great, goes into all the gears and reverse perfectly. Make sure we're in neutral here, and we'll start this thing up. Starts up nice and easy. We did just get back to the test drive. Oil pressure sitting at 20. When it was cold, it was at 45. Gas gauge is hooked up. Voltmeter is hooked up. Temp is not. Probably need to hook that up. It's not a built truck, so you probably don't have overheating worries, but it's nice to know exactly what you're heating up to. It does show 71,000 miles on here. Of course, every time that turns over past 100, it goes back to 0. Keep that in mind. We do have heat, and it blows hard. We do got the aux cords and the cigarette lighters there. Truck's got a pretty good sound to it. Like I said, the clutch felt good, and everything seems to be working. You got your windshield wipers, they do work. They're nice and slow though. The motor's probably getting old. And then the horn, y'all ready? Take the pole, does it work? It does. Motor's nice and quiet up under the hood here. Go ahead and shut the hood down. Comes down nice and easy. Still got chips in the paint. A little low here. All right, guys, I do appreciate y'all watching. If you have any other questions, definitely visit maplemotors.com. We got wheels, tires, parts, and accessories on there. You can also get financed, or we could ship this truck anywhere in the US. If you're out of country, just give us a call. We'll try to work something out. We can get it to the border, but you'll have to do the rest. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Posting videos every single day. Got a few more cars I'm gonna get to today. Hopefully it don't rain on me. Tennessee weather's crazy right now. As you can see, we're up here at Maple Motors. We do all the classic American muscle cars. We do like custom trucks, just like the one we're just driving around. We're not afraid to buy anything that's different or cool, so. Do appreciate y'all watching, and thanks again, guys. Test drive videos in the lower right corner, so go ahead and click that. See this truck go down the road.